So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you're watching Waqas Tech. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Instagram error. Sorry, this page is not available on Instagram. You can see appears on screen when I open the Instagram. This error appears on my iPhone screen. So how to fix that error on your iPhone if you're also facing that? Okay, so move to the solution one. Solution one is make sure you are connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you are not connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data, just connect your iPhone to the strong Wi-Fi or cellular data and then try to open the Instagram. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open App Store, search here Instagram. Okay, tap on Instagram. You can see appears on screen my Instagram is up to dated. If you are not using updated version of Instagram, just update your Instagram to the latest update and then try to use that. Okay, if that method is not working, then move to the next one. The next one is open iPhone setting. In setting, tap on general. Now scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, you can see reset, tap on that. Reset network setting, tap on that also, and then done that. After done that, you can easily fix your problem if you are facing this kind of error on your Instagram. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next one. The next one is delete your Instagram and then reinstall your Instagram and then try to log in again and easily fix that issue. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix Instagram showing error. This page is not available on Instagram right now, error on Instagram. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.